Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and of course today we're going to talk about Facebook. This first video is a little introduction for those that don't know what it is, and we will have several videos if you're interested in knowing the implications when you post, when you share, when you decide to play a game, and also how to have a certain control over what you do on Facebook. Today is going to be for you. Lots of videos, and each video will have an aspect about security and about knowing actually what you're doing when you click this or that, or you decide that you want to play that game that everybody plays. You'll see that it might scare you away a little bit. It might, at the other end, not scare you, but have you understand the implications of everything you do through Facebook. So Facebook is a social media website. It's a place where you can actually open an account and add your best friends and your family that are on Facebook and interact with them. You know, we gotta face it. Facebook has one very positive aspect, and it's the fact that you're connected with your friends and family all the time. And I am one user of Facebook that actually enjoys using the social media app. Even though, yeah, they're scary. Everything that happened in the past year and a half, they are dealing with a lot of our personal information, and there's a lot that needs to be done, and they need to work hard in making us believe that our data is safe. You are giving away a lot of personal data on Facebook, and sometimes too much. And sometimes you don't understand the way that you actually interact with your friends, and the things that you do increase the amount of data you're giving away everywhere. Facebook makes money out of your data. It's pretty much its model, that and ads that it has on its Facebook page. So Facebook is nice. It lets you keep contact with friends and family, and it's amazing for that. It has a dark side of having a lot of personal details, of maybe doing things that we should be scared of, or at least make us think that, you know what, they have a lot of control over what we're doing. And we got to be careful with that. And the videos today will help you understand the implications of everything you do, but also secure yourself to kind of give the least amount of data and information possible, not just to Facebook, but to the friends and family around you. You might not understand sometimes that you might be giving away a little detail that you never told anyone in a post, and everybody's seen it because you're not actually understanding the way that you need to post and share information through Facebook. So it's a nice social media app, but it does have its flaws, and we'll see what happens in the next year or so with regulations that want to be enforced, and what's going to happen, because obviously we learned to distrust Facebook a lot because of all that we've heard, and maybe regulation is a good thing for a company like Facebook. We'll see what happens soon. But at least today you'll have a good starting point. How to stay secure, safe, how to prevent your account from being hacked, how to understand the interactions and what happens when you interact on Facebook. And all of that should actually help you have a more secure experience, and hopefully understand better what all the implications are of Facebook. There's much more implications that you might think, and people don't understand that, and I see it on my own personal feed. So I've created a special Facebook account just for this, and here we will, of course, interact with Facebook to give you an idea of everything you need to know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hope you'll enjoy today's series on Facebook, Facebook security, and understanding Facebook. It's kind of Facebook 101.